My name is Rukum Godfrey and I have made this video to show you how to access your online content and also how to upload the content back like the coursework and then the assignments to the lecturer. So this is the link to our e-learning system or e-learning management system. You type this link in the URL bar. This is the URL bar of your browser like Google Chrome, like Mozilla Firefox. After that, hit enter and then it will directly take you to our login page. Click on the login which is at your top right hand side, then type in the username. You'll get these usernames from you'll get them through your class representatives. Then type in, for example, this is my username and again this is my password. This is my password. You will also be given the password which you can change at a later stage. Then after that, when you log in, this is what happens. It's only those questions that you are registered for this semester that you will be able to access. And this is the one that I'm registered for. So I'll click on this course unit. Then I will be able, first of all, this will come for the very first time. I have to click end tour. Then I'm able to see the content, the lecture, the instructors details and whatever and all this content here. So we have gotten contents in the number of file formats. We have a PDF, we have Word, we have Excel, PowerPoint, we have video, audio, mention them. But all of them, the formula is one, or what to do is one in order to access the content. For example, if I want the content for this module 1, I just click on it, and after clicking on it, it will download, and I can read the content even when I am offline. For the case of video, you can watch the video online and you can also decide to download this video offline. So the two options are you click on the video. After clicking on the video, it opens. So it is up to you. If you want to read it online, you just listen to it and watch. But if you want to read it offline, then you have to right click inside and then you have to play it first. After it opens up, then you
This
right
is a
click
video
inside
that
and say
was
copy video
made out
URL.
of.
After copying the video URL, you open up another tab, paste it there. After pasting it there, here where there is, you hit enter, and after hitting enter, here where there is YouTube is where you click, where there is where YouTube starts from, where you click, and after clicking there, here you type there SS and then type enter. It will bring us an option of downloading this video, but depending on your internet speed. So if the internet is so fast, it is going to load faster, and then this will appear. You click on MP4 such that you choose MP4 360. After that, then you get back here. It is going to come like this. Then you right click. After right clicking, click on save video as. After clicking save video as, you give it a name, choose the location, maybe desktop, and then click save, and it will be saved there. So that is for the video. That is for the video. We have also other contents, for example, information that is the content that is in lecture content that is in the folder form. This is in the folder form. So you click on this folder, and after clicking in the folder, this happens. So you choose whether you want to download each file individually or you want to download the entire folder. Each file individually, you click on each file, it downloads. Click on this, it downloads. The entire folder, you click here and it all downloads. So that is for the content, downloading the content which is in the folder form. Then we have the assessments. There are two kinds of assessments. We have the quiz and we have the assignment. For the case of the quiz, also there are two types. You can have the quiz that is online, such that if you're to answer, you must answer them online when you're still connected to internet. And also you can answer the quiz when you're offline. That is, you download the quiz, the questions, answer them. After answering them, then you upload them again, and then you send them to the lecturer. So that format of downloading and answering is the same as the assignments, but for the online, this is how it happens. You click on the quiz. After clicking on the quiz, it shows you that even the grading method, the attempt quiz now, yes, you will say you choose attempt quiz now because you have not yet attempted, and here the question appears, so you read and the answer. After reading and answering, then you keep going next. You keep going next. After typing in the right answer, you keep going next. You keep going next. Let's say this is maybe what you didn't want to answer, but you have chosen it. What do? You click cancel my choice, then you click right one again, and then you click answer. You keep on clicking on the right answer, and then proceeding. Let's choose this wrong choice intentionally and jump, and then go to question number 20. Then also choose this right one, and then we finish because there are only 20 in the interest of time. So after that, you have to click submit all and finish. So here you have to accept, and then your marks also will be awarded, and they will show you what you failed and what you passed, and also what you have gotten. The total mark is 5 out of 20, and the grade is 25%. So this is what you passed and this is what you failed. The system will show you automatically. So that is how the online part of it is, of answering these questions, especially the quiz that is online. So that is now we are going to look at now the answering, downloading and uploading. Let's say this is an assignment, whether it is assignment or quiz that requires you to download the answer and then you upload. You follow the same procedures. Click on the assignment that appears, and after clicking on assignment, then you will see assignments. It will depend on your lecturer. Maybe you may have a number of assignments, 1, 2, 3, or the way you want to name them, but you'll be able to see all the assignments here. So you click on that assignment, it gets downloaded. After getting downloaded, you answer the assignments. After answering those the assignments or coursework or whatever assignment it might be, then you log in again. You can download it, then log out, answer the questions. After answering the questions, then switch your data on and upload. So when you have switched your data on and after answering the questions, now you want to upload it, you come again here to assignments, click assignments. After clicking the assignments, you scroll down. You see, it will bring this, but you scroll down up to add submission, whereby you will click that button of add submission, and then this will prompt you to choose the file. Click on that, then click upload, and then choose the file. For example, that file that we have just downloaded, let me assume that this is what I have answered, and I am now going to upload it for this purpose. This is what I have answered. Let me download, let me upload this. So this, I double click to choose it, and then I click upload the file, and then say save the changes. So this is what will appear here, confirming whether it is true. I want to submit. If not, then I edit submission, I remove. If yes, then I click on submit assignment if I'm sure that this is really what I want. So I have to check this confirmation that this is my submission. This submission is my own work, blah blah blah. Then click continue. After that, then you will get the information that your content has been submitted. So this is what has been submitted, and the lecturer will mark after marking and send the feedback, and you will be able to get the content, the submission feedback of comments in your account. So Briefly, this is how you can do it. I thank you so much for listening and viewing and wish you the very best.